here. We're gonna do some cleaning today, some cleaning motivation. I'm gonna show you some cleaning tips for your house for a daily basis, on a daily basis, so the house doesn't have to look like a train wreck. Yes, I know we all work, we have children, we have our own lives, our own tasks. We have to take care of the children, our husbands, and also work related responsibilities. So we don't want to come home to a house that is chaotic. So today I'm just going to share with you a few tips for for your home, how to keep your house together. You don't have to have a deep clean every week or every other week in order to have your house clean. So let's start the video. As you can see, I'm in the living room slash dining room, and I'm just gonna tidy up. Yes, that Christmas tree over there is still up. I cannot take it apart. I had asked my husband, and he works 5 days a week, and I only work different shifts, 3 to 2 days a week, so I have more time. So that's why I'm giving that YouTube a try. So I'm glad you stopped by. So now we're gonna just tidy up. One of my tips to keep your house clean is every day do a little bit at a time. Pick this up, pick that up, and try not to put it back there again. Just put it in the right place, right? um I'm not gonna do a deep cleaning because I don't have the time today. It's already 1 p.m. and today is Tuesday. I was off yesterday, which was Monday. Today is Tuesday, February the 11th, and I'm working tomorrow and the day after. And Friday is Valentine's Day. Yay! I don't know what you guys are gonna do for Valentine's Day. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know if my husband has a surprise, but you know what? It is what it is. I'm just gonna take care of myself. All right. He has a lot to do. I'm pretty sure he has something, but he has a lot to do. You have to remind this guy. So anyway, I'm mumbling. So now, the living room, as you can see, there's not much to be done, but it's dusty. It's a little bit dusty. So basically what I'm going to do today, I'm going to sweep, and it's going to be quick. These are just tips. I'm going to sweep, and I'm not going to mop today. Just sweeping the floor and tidy up and put things back in their proper place. That to me, this is a great tip. All right. So I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna try to do. All right, guys. Here I am. I am picking up things that are not in their proper place. Like I was saying before, my cleaning tip to keep your house clean, to keep your house in a more of an elevated state, is to pick up after yourselves, is to keep things in their proper place. Yes, it is hard when we work, and we have children in the house. Sometimes they eat in the living room, they eat in places where they're not supposed to eat. They drop things on the floor, and as long as you sweep and you keep things to a minimum, don't let things get out of hand. I know it's a hard thing to do, but just do your best. This is my cleaning tip, really, to do a little bit every day. Yeah. So another topic that I wanted to talk about, it's not related to cleaning, but it's that I am able to use CapCut, guys. I am so excited. I was not able to, if you noticed the past few videos, I was not able to do voiceover because my CapCut situation was not there. And now today my daughter says, "Mommy, TikTok is back." So I'm like, I guess CapCut is back too. So I tried to download, and then here we are. That's why I'm posting, that's why I'm editing with the software today. I'm very happy I am doing my voiceover. One thing I wanted to ask, put out there and to ask you guys is what is that you guys use to clean your home, to keep your home clean and smell good, inviting, in terms of plugins. Which one do you guys use? Which scent do you guys use? I'd like to start doing that. If you notice, this is my picture on the floor. I would just have to put them on the wall, and I don't want a put nail on the wall and damage the wall. So that's why it's still on the floor. I'm trying to come up with different idea how to decorate this place. So home decorating, it's a slow process. It's not something that you rush. It's something that you slowly ease into. Yeah, so you see how dusty this place was. So enjoy the video. Just let me know what you guys use and how often do you guys do certain cleaning, your deep cleaning, your light cleaning, and how often you guys do that. I'd like to know. Leave in the comment how often that is done. This corner right there, my plan is to turn it into my reading corner. I plan to replace that chair. That's our old dining room chair. I plan to replace it with a accent chair, rather a cream one or a white one that I've seen on Amazon. I just want to make that corner very cozy. And also I want to add a lamp in that area, not on the table, but from a floor lamp. So a tall lamp, which would be helpful when I'm doing my reading over there. So that's what I intend to do with that corner. Here we are in the dining room. You guys have been seeing me cleaning this area so many times before in so many videos. It's not the only area in this house. I guarantee you that, guys. I'm just not quite comfortable taking you guys in the kitchen because it's a really dated area. So let me guys know in the comment if you would like to see me cleaning that kitchen. It's pretty old, and yeah, I just feel a little bit nervous sharing that area. Alright, so this video is almost ending. I'm wrapping up the sweeping, and the floor is clean and everything is in its proper place. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. God bless, and I love you all. See you in the next one.